Hello, everybody. My name is Henry Millward. This is Statistics 2. I'm looking forward to a great semester from you. I just wanted to show you around my StatLab page for a minute. This is one of the two big websites we're going to be using. The other one is Edmodo, which gives us most of the communication announcement side of the course. But my StatLab is where the homework and tests and all that are going to reside, the gradebook as well. So your homepage might look a little bit different than mine because it's the instructor's version, but the same basic thing. You should have a left menu over here with different buttons that I'll discuss in a minute. One thing I want to say first is that the prerequisite for this class is Statistics 1 or Elementary Statistics. This class really builds on it and takes it a lot further. But you definitely want to have that under your belt. Otherwise, this class will be really confusing. So just reach out to me if you haven't had elementary statistics, and we can try to figure something else out for you. Okay. So I wanted to show you real quick where the homework resides. So the homework is, you just click this left menu button, and you can see the assignments so far. Right here is what we've got. And the due dates for those assignments. Note that you can also just see, you don't have to actually click on two separate buttons for quizzes and tests. You can just do all assignments, and it'll show you, every assignment in the class and the due date kind of in the order that the assignments come in. So this is all the work for the first week. Okay. And what else did I want to show you? The gradebook is down here. Okay. This is Statcrunch, and Statcrunch is a kind of a computational tool that'll help us do a lot of the statistics. Okay. So if you're ever doing a whole lot of number crunching or looking up a ton of stuff on tables, that's one way to do statistics, but in this class, I've really de-emphasized that and to focus more on the conceptual learning. Statcrunch will do a lot of the heavy computation for us. And so if you're ever feeling like, oh my goodness, this is just taking so long, there's probably a faster way to do it in Statcrunch. If I don't already have it on my tutorials by chapter, and I'll show you this. This is just a document I put together that will, here's just some kind of general stuff, including the syllabus, but down below, you can look, and the chapters for the class are listed with videos for the different homework problems, and also just like general Statcrunch, like how do I use Statcrunch for the chapter 9 problems. But yeah, I use Statcrunch a whole lot to do a lot of the heavy computational lifting. Okay, of course, that's great and everything, but you also have to learn how to use Statcrunch. That's the flip side of it, and I can definitely help you with that. The other thing I wanted to mention is that the textbook, a physical textbook, is not required for this course. You actually have a link to the e-text right here. Okay, and if you click this, it'll give you a link. It takes a minute to load, so I've already loaded it over here, and you can just go through the contents of it. I think you can skip ahead to whatever chapter it is that you want. Also, there you can get to both Statcrunch and the textbook off of the homework problem. So if you're working a homework problem from, say, chapter 9.1, and you want to go to chapter 9, section 9.1 in the book, if you hit the textbook, it'll load the textbook from there. And a lot of times, if a problem requires Statcrunch, there'll be a little button to open up Statcrunch. Okay. So I hope that helps demystify the class a little bit. As I said, here is the stuff that's due for the first week. This homework and the quiz. Okay. So good luck as always. Get in contact if you have any questions. Okay. That's the key to online course. If you're feeling like you're all alone doing this, all alone learning this, it doesn't have to be that way. You actually have more access to your teachers on online courses than you do on ground courses, where you just are able to ask them questions like twice a week. You can ask me questions 7 days a week. Of course, with my communication policy, sometimes I can't always get to it right away. That's the disadvantage of the online course. but definitely within a day, or I should say a school day. Sometimes over the weekend that take a little bit longer, but definitely within a school day. So I hope this introduction was helpful, and good luck in the course.